यार में वीडियो स्टार्ट हो गई थी यार।
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shubhangi and I feel so good to finally say this because I've been wanting to start my own YouTube channel from the longest time, and yeah, here it is. So I'll be posting videos on lifestyle, styling, DIYs, shopping hauls, fun challenges and much more content, and I'll try posting videos at least 3 times a week, so stay updated for that. And to stay updated, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also please press the bell icon besides it to get the notification every time I post a new video. So because this is my first video, I have just thought of making a small shopping haul video for you all. So I have shopped a few tops from Urbanic and I'll be reviewing them, and I'll also be giving a try on to you guys. So yeah, let's get started. The first top that I got is this black colored top. This is very trendy and this has got puffed sleeves and they have polka dots detailing, and these are in velvet material, and the entire top is in a ribbed material which is very soft and it gives a great fit. And it may seem a slight transparent to you guys, but actually when you wear it, it is not at all see-through. But the neck is very broad, so if you're not comfortable wearing this, do not go for this top, because when you like go down, it is like very deep, so you will have to use a magic tape or something, or you can wear a spaghetti or a tube top, anything under this. And it has got this keyhole detailing in the center of the neckline, and it has also got a tie-up. It is a very good top, and it is not at all a cropped length. It comes up till waist, and yeah, I just love this top. Also guys, I'll be giving my size chart in the description box below, and so that if you are of my size, you can go for these tops. And because all of them I have bought in extra small or small size, I'll be mentioning that too, and I'll be linking all these products in the description box below, so check it out. Yeah, and the second top that I got from Urbanic is this very pretty top. This is so unique. Like the upper portion, like the portion which comes above bust, is this lemon yellow color, and this is so beautiful color. And the rest of the top is in it has got these horizontal line detailings, and it has got round neckline, and it also gives a great fit, and it is such a soft material. And all of these tops are body hugging. And yeah, the original MRP mentioned in, actually all of them are 690, but I got them for around under 400. So yeah, this is the second top. The third top that I got from Urbanic is this one. Like this color is so pretty, and I've not got anything of this color in my wardrobe, so I got this. And yeah, it has got a V neckline, and it is also a cropped length, and it gives such a great fit. This is entirely like completely body hugging, and it is also in ribbed material, and it is very soft. And yeah, it has got a V neckline. You should go for this. Like the thing that is written here, sorry for the inconvenience, it actually attracted me a lot. And the last top, and my favorite top from Urbanic, is this beige colored top. This is like, I love beige color, and this is so pretty. Just look at this. It has got a twisted detailing in the front, and it is actually attached to the top, and it makes this top look so unique and so beautiful. Like it is so trendy. I just love this. This is also got ribbed detailing, and this very soft material. This is also in cropped length, and I just love this top. I highly recommend this to you guys. Please get it for yourselves. So yeah guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul video, and if you did, please like this video, share this video, and also let me know in the comment section below which top did you like the most, and what more kind of videos would you like to see more on my channel. And please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and share this as much as you can. Also I'll love to hear from you guys, like, because I'm new to this journey, so I love if you give me some suggestions. So yeah, that is all for today. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video.